So today I'm going to show you a new project. A project name is Communication Security with AES Hybrid Algorithm. So this is a communication security project, or you can also say cryptography project, cyber security project, or security protection project. In this project, we are going to use different algorithm for communication purpose, or you can say different algorithm for communication security purpose. So you must be wondering that why we are going to use this. See, at every year, even every month, there is a new technology, or there is a new some version of every technology, every algorithm come. Why? Because to improve the security, to improve the protection of that system. So even if you will check your WhatsApp, and when you will send first time someone a message, this always will be written as like it is protected. Oh, sorry, it is always written that mm, it is protected by end-to-end encryption. So why? Because they are using some kind of encryption algorithm. And when social media is using encryption algorithm, so there is an encryption algorithm to read those message. Means there comes encryption decryption, and encryption and decryption are part of cryptography. Now what is cryptography? So cryptography is a science of to hide some message, or you can say hide some important information. And it have two process. First is encryption. Encryption is to hide or to make it cipher, and decryption is to reverse process of encryption, means to understand that message or decrypt that message. So in this, what we are going to do new, that is we are going to apply AES algorithm. Okay, now that what is AES algorithm? AES algorithm, full form is Advanced Encryption Standard Algorithm. So uh, that if you will ask that what is it, see in this you can say this is a symmetric block cipher algorithm. Okay, it is symmetric block cipher algorithm with a block of 128 bits, or you can say size of 128 bits. So it convert this individual block using different keys. And what are those keys? And what size is 128, either 192 and 256 bit. So once it encrypt this block, it join together to form a ciphertext. Means like you can see in this we are using symmetric block cipher algorithm to convert into ciphertext. Okay, so I will not make you so much confused by giving all this lecture. I will just show you this project. So this is like abstract of this. So I will share this synopsis. If you want, you can even contact me. I will send you again. So this is the synopsis. In this I will tell you that we are going to use different algorithm. So what we are going to use, we are going to use cryptography. We got to know in cryptography which algorithm, AES algorithm. And in this we are doing hybridization, means combination of this. So what combination we are going to use? We are going to use another algorithm, that is name is steganography algorithm. Okay, now what is this steganography? So if you will search in steganography, so steganography is this science of, you can say, is a method to encrypt message into image file. See, is a practice of hiding secret message in something which is not secret. Means like you can say the in this message will be encrypted or hidden in the image. See, practice of hiding one file within another file. Hope you understand. And now I will tell you that how this project work. So in this we have used Google Colab. So Google Colab is a platform for Python to make a application or Python application. So in now I will show you this code. So when you will open this, so it will look like this. And in this we have used different libraries to make this project, and we have to run block by block. So after you run in this you like I will show you from starting. it will, like first time you will do, it will take less than 10 to 50 seconds. After that it will take only 1 or 2 seconds to compile or run that program. See, this has been done, we got a successful. Then we will run other one, then we will run another one. So same as that you have to go on, and after that you have to apply the process of encryption and decryption. So in when you will do, then what will happen, then we have to go through the process of stenography. Why? Because we are merging it, we are combining it. So in this same as that we will run this all, and after that in here you can see we have used a image, png image. So where we will store this image or where we will upload, so we, there is an option here, you have to go and you have to upload this image, so then only it can come into the system. And after that, that message from AES will get stored in this image. So when we will do decryption of it, we will get a bomb in card. Like how, I will show you. See, we have in this encryption process. So in this encryption process we have done like a bomb in car for you can say this one cryptography AES process. And for like stenography we are adding that into this image. So when we will decrypt it, we got this bomb in car. So you can say it may look complicated, but it is not, because we are using two different algorithm and then we are combining into it. So you can see in this project we have used message with encryption into image. So if you are like have, if you have any question, doubts, or anything about this project, do let me know, and I will help you out for that. So thank you guys, and you can mail me or contact me for anything. I have put my mail ID, WhatsApp number, and other information in YouTube description. So if you have any doubts or if you need anything, then please do let me know. Thank you.